6 places women love to be touched. Welcome to the channel Wise Soul, where we help you become a modern, confident man capable of attracting and connecting with a high-value woman. Have you ever stopped to wonder why some women become so attached to men who seem to know exactly how to touch them? Touch carries incredible power when it comes to attraction and emotional connection, and in today's video, we're going to explore exactly that. The 6 places where women truly enjoy being touched. Many men underestimate the impact that touch can have on a woman. It's not just about flirting or trying to impress her. It's about creating a genuine connection, making her feel comfortable and naturally drawn to you. But be careful. You can't just touch a woman without understanding how and where. The right touch can work wonders, while the wrong one can completely ruin your chances. To truly attract a woman, you must go beyond words. The right touch, at the right moment, can stay in her mind for days, and this is where many men fail. They either don't understand the importance of touch, or they do it incorrectly, pushing her away instead of drawing her closer. In this video, I'm going to share 6 areas where women love to be touched. If you learn to approach these with subtlety and confidence, you can create a deep emotional impact. First, the shoulder. The shoulder is an area that many men overlook. However, it's one of the most meaningful and subtly sensitive parts of a woman's body. Touching her shoulder is not just simple physical contact. It communicates far more than words ever could. When you gently place your hand on her shoulder, you're stepping into her personal space in a way that still feels safe and natural. Compared to touching her hand or arm, the shoulder is closer to her face, which slightly increases intimacy without being invasive. Imagine this. You're having a conversation. Everything is flowing naturally, and you lightly touch her shoulder while making a comment or joke. This small gesture shows warmth, interest, and quiet confidence. Here's the key. Touching her shoulder is also a way to gauge her comfort. If she doesn't pull away or show discomfort, it's a strong sign that she's open to your presence. It can also create a sense of security. A firm yet gentle touch can make her feel protected, which is essential for building a deeper connection. Most men think they need to be bold or dramatic to show interest, but in reality, the simplest and most natural touches have the strongest effect. If you get this first step right, you'll notice her gradually becoming more comfortable, even leaning closer. The foundation here is naturalness and respect for her space. Second, the thigh. The thighs hold a special significance for many women. They often take pride in this part of their body, so acknowledging it subtly can create a strong impression. However, how you touch matters more than where. This is not about being direct or aggressive. It's about expressing intention with softness and control. In a more intimate moment, a gentle touch on her thigh can be incredibly powerful. Think of it like an art form. Just as an artist uses a brush with precision, you should use your touch with care and awareness. Let your fingers glide softly along the contour of her leg, taking your time. This slow, deliberate movement creates closeness and strengthens the connection between you. The thighs are also close to a very sensitive area, which naturally intensifies emotional and physical reactions. But balance is everything. You're building anticipation, not rushing the moment. The more subtle and controlled your touch is, the more she will feel that you truly understand her. This kind of attention to detail makes her feel appreciated and desired, not just for her appearance, but for who she is as a whole. And that feeling can be incredibly powerful. Third, the earlobe. Not many people talk about this, but the earlobe is a highly sensitive area, and many women enjoy being touched there, even if they don't openly admit it. If you want to leave a lasting impression on her mind, understanding these small details can make all the difference. The earlobes are filled with nerve endings, making them very responsive to gentle touch. Even a light brush of your fingers can create subtle but noticeable sensations. It's no surprise that the ears are often considered an erogenous zone, but again, the key is gentleness. Start softly, almost as if it's accidental. You can lightly graze the area with your fingers, or come close while speaking quietly to her. The goal is to create a sense of mystery and anticipation, not to be overly direct. Touching near her ear builds a deep sense of closeness and intimacy. It communicates attention and desire without needing words. When done correctly, it sets you apart as someone who understands subtle emotional cues and respects her sensitivity. Fourth, her hair. Running your hands through a woman's hair goes beyond physical touch. It connects on a deeper emotional level. This simple gesture communicates care, attention, and tenderness. It creates a feeling of comfort that she won't easily forget. When you gently stroke her hair, you're making her feel valued and safe. And that's something many women deeply appreciate in a partner. It can lift her mood and make her feel cherished. The scalp, often overlooked, is extremely sensitive. Lightly running your fingers through her hair or softly massaging her scalp can create a relaxing and pleasurable sensation. This kind of touch shows that you pay attention to details, even the less obvious ones. When she feels cared for in this way, she naturally becomes more emotionally connected to you. It's this combination of comfort and affection that strengthens attraction on a deeper level. Fifth, the back. One of the most powerful areas for touch is the back, especially the upper part. When a man places his hand on a woman's back, it instantly creates a sense of closeness and reassurance. While the lower back can feel more seductive, the upper back is perfect for showing support in a subtle and respectful way. Interestingly, when a man doesn't take the initiative, some women will naturally lean in or signal that they want that contact. That's because touching the back conveys trust and warmth, two essential elements in any connection. To enhance this moment, use your fingertips to gently move along her back, starting from the upper area and slowly moving downward. This creates a calming yet intimate experience that strengthens both physical and emotional connection. It's not just about the touch itself, it's about the feeling of care and presence you communicate through it. Sixth, foot massage. A good foot massage can make a huge difference when it comes to pleasing and connecting with a woman. It's often underestimated, but incredibly effective. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out on a powerful way to create intimacy. Many women love this kind of attention. When you take the time to care for her in this way, it shows effort and intention. The feet are one of the most sensitive areas of the body. A proper massage can relax her deeply, while also awakening pleasurable sensations. Both the top and bottom of the foot are sensitive, but the arch contains a high concentration of nerve endings. When massaging, apply steady, controlled pressure. Avoid ticklish movements that could ruin the mood. Use slow, deliberate motions with your fingertips, maintaining a consistent rhythm. If you're doing it right, you may notice subtle reactions, like goosebumps or relaxed body language. The slower and more attentive you are, the more powerful the experience becomes. Mastering this technique not only provides physical relaxation, but also builds a strong emotional connection. And when you give this level of care and attention, she's far more likely to feel deeply drawn to you. If you enjoyed these insights and want to learn more about building real connections, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Leave a comment below and share which type of touch you think is most effective, or let us know what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you, and we're here to help. See you in the next video.